one piece of speaker wire, another piece of speaker wire. Wait, that's two. System sensor, her P2W in white, Firelight BG12L, and last but not least, 12 volt AC battery charger. What's up, everybody? This is Bry Guy. I'm going to be doing a video of how to wire up a fire alarm to a pole station. Now, before I start this video, I just want to point out that this YouTube channel, SCR Safety, kind of gave me the idea to do this video. So go check out his channel and go subscribe to him right after this video. And so let's get started. So first, if you're not careful, you could electrocute yourself with this. It's pretty simple logic. Also, you should use a Phillips head screwdriver. I'm not really sure what size this is. I've had it for a while. So what you want to do first is you want to look at the back of the pole station. So you see the red and the black wires? So on most pole stations, this is going to be negative and this is going to be positive. But for whatever reason, Firelight decides to do something different and wired this as the positive and this the negative. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hook this up. So this alarm will work with a 12 volts or 24 volt adapter. So you take the black wire, which is negative, obviously, clip it onto the red portion, then screw that in there real good. And then you need to take your piece of speaker wire, or you really only need one. So take your piece of speaker wire, you need to kind of trim it or whatever at the end to get this black part off and get this metal or whatever this is. I'm not sure what that's called. And you need to stick this under the second screw, because this is going to be the positive terminal. Then you gotta make sure it's in there all the way. Screw it in tight. Gotta tug a bit on it to make sure it's secure. So now we're done with the pole station. Now let's get to the alarm. So this is a system sensor P2W, and you can see it says here on the back P2W. And when I was wiring it first, I noticed that it had this back plate, and I learned that you have to wire up the alarm through the back plate in order to make the alarm work. You just clip it on. So as you can see here, it says negative, positive, positive. We're going to only use these two. We're not going to use this, because this is for like if you want to wire it as like a three wire device into a panel, but I don't have any of that stuff. So this goes into the negative of the alarm, the negative of the back plate. So make sure you wire it through the back of the back plate. It kind of makes sense. Make it go through the back of the back plate. So, because if you put it through the front, one, wouldn't make sense at all, and two, can't clip the alarm on, and it would just be totally useless. So one problem that I figured out that I was wiring this up with, when I was wiring this up, is that one of my clips, this red one, it won't really fit onto the back plate. So I just use another piece of speaker wire. This actually is optional. So gotta wire it through the back. Put that in there. Screw it in. And then you take the other end of the red wire. You clip it into here. This. And before I snap the alarm on, I just want to show you something real quick. So this switch right here is for the candela setting, which is the brightness of the strobe. If you have it wired as like a 12 volts, you can only use 15 or 1575. It will show you the candela right here. So what 1575 means is that, like, if you look at it directly, it's 75, but if you look at it from the side, it's 15. So now I'm going to put it on. Wait, no, I forgot something. So I forgot to explain that this is the audio setting. There's 1, 2, 3, which is what it's on now. 4, 5, and 6. So 1, 2, and 3 are code 3. 4, 5, and 6 are continuous. So 1 is the loudest, 2 is medium, and 3 is the lowest setting. I have it set on the lowest setting. And then 4 is continuous, loudest setting, and then 5 is continuous, medium, and then 6 is continuous, lowest setting. So then I'm going to put this on the back plate. And you've successfully wired up your alarm to your pulse station. So now we're going to plug it in and test it. So if you have sensitive hearing, I would highly recommend that you use like earplugs or something like that. Or headphones. I mean, I have headphones on. So I'm going to pull this first, and I may key activate it later. I don't know. But without further ado, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, so most people think that with the BG12, you actually have to flip the switch back up because it says normal and then it says activated. Because when you pull it down, it says activated. And when you flip it up to normal, it turns the alarm off. So this literally is, pulse stations act as a light switch. This one, literally a light switch, as you can see. So most people think you have to flip the switch up, but actually when you close it, it automatically flips it up for you. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And also go check out SER Safety's channel and his videos. He's got a whole variety of all these videos. So go check him out. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.